Okay guys, tackling the next section of my makeup collection for my 2021 declutter. Today's gonna be foundations, and I think I'm gonna get rid of a lot of these. I've just come to realize the types of foundations I like, I use, and there's no need in hanging on to these that I know I'm probably never gonna get around to using. So it should be quick and easy, although I say that every time. Let's go ahead and get started. It's kind of embarrassing to see how many of these are still in boxes. Like this foundation I bought years ago. It's the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation, and it's still in the box, you guys. Like, I used it and then I just put it back in the box and forgot about it. So, okay. Oh, these are actually concealers. I'm gonna put these aside for my concealer declutter. Some of these I know are just old. So for example, this Dior Forever I know is pretty dang old, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that one. This Laura Mercier Tinted Oil-Free Moisturizer, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. This L'Oreal Infallible is also another pretty old one. Same with my YSL. These two MAC ones I used for my wedding day, which was now 3 years ago. And I know foundation stays good for a little while. I know I bought the YSL right around the same time. But I use the MAC when I'm taking professional pictures because I know it looks good in professional pictures. So I might actually keep... There's two different shades here, which is why I have two of them, but I think I'm going to get rid of the YSL. I don't love this CC cream, the oil-free one. I do have the matte one I don't like. I'm still unsure about the original one. I just kind of recently got this, so I think I'm going to keep that one, but I am going to get rid of the matte one. I do actually really like this Too Faced Peach Perfect. I have this one and the Born This Way in the color Seashell. I do really like both of these, so I think I'm going to keep... We'll put those in the maybe pile with the Urban Decay. This is actually a CC cream as well by Supergoop. This is fairly new to my collection, so I might keep that one. This is Charlotte Tilbury Magic. This is the original one, and then this is the newer one. I like the Airbrush Flawless better than the Magic one. This one's in the color 1. This one's in the color 2. I hate getting rid of stuff, you guys. This is a newer one. This is the Rare Beauty. I'm going to keep this one for sure. I just recently purchased this one not too long ago. I'm going to take it out of the box though. I might actually just go ahead and get rid of the MAC because it's pretty old. I mean, 3 years for a liquid foundation, that's pretty old. CoverGirl, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of. I very rarely reach for that. This Ilia Beauty I do like. Same with the Fenty Beauty. So I'm going to put those in my maybe. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the Urban Decay because I know it's really old. This Charlotte Tilbury Light Wander kind of goes in the same category as these like serum-y foundations. This is a tinted moisturizer as well. I just recently got that. As far as my powder foundations go, I'm going to get rid of the Cover FX. I've used it a couple more times since I filmed my powder foundation video, and I don't really like it very much. Same with this MAC Studio Fix. I feel like it's just too thick for my liking. The Laura Mercier one, I'm on the fence about. This Bare Minerals is not the right color for me, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. I love the Tarte. I love my Too Faced. This is still in the box. I think this is just a setting powder. Oh, maybe not. Mineralized Skin Finish Natural. Yeah, this is actually a setting powder. I'm going to put this with my setting powders, which I'm going to do next probably. Fenty Beauty is my absolute favorite. Same with the Makeup Forever, so definitely keeping those. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the Laura Mercier. Kat Von D one, I do like it. It's almost gone too, so I might as well use it, finish it up. So there's that. I am going to go ahead and get rid of this Charlotte Tilbury because it is just a little bit heavier and a little bit cakier on my skin than the Airbrush Flawless. So I'm going to keep that. I think I am going to go ahead and get rid of the MAC. I'm keeping it for nostalgia, and that's so silly to do for something like a liquid foundation. So, okay, I'm actually feeling pretty good about these. So here's the foundations that I'm keeping, liquid foundations. So I have a couple of CC creams. Actually, I'll put that with the CC creams. I have 3 CC creams, and then These are the actual foundations, and then these are more like serum-y foundations. So honestly, not bad. And then as far as powder foundations go, which is what I use most frequently, definitely most frequently, is powder foundation. So I'm keeping more of those. Fenty's my favorite. I have a backup of it, and then the Makeup Forever. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 14 that I'm getting rid of. So about half. I feel pretty good about that. So this was quick. I knew it was going to be quick because I knew exactly what I wanted to get rid of for the most part. Actually, guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and do concealer in the same video just because this is going to be quick and easy and pretty cutthroat too. So no need to split it into 2 videos. So here's all the concealers that I currently have. There's definitely a ton I know I can get rid of. So this Clinique one, it's Clinique Even Better. This is a pretty new concealer, but I don't like the way it looks under my eyes at all. It looks very cakey. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. This Catrice Liquid Camouflage I didn't love, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. This YSL I've had for so many years, and it's definitely gone bad. So getting rid of that. This Maybelline Fit Me, I never pull for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Being cutthroat here, guys. Let's talk about some that I know I'm gonna keep for sure. What's this one? Oh, Radiant, oh. I didn't realize I had this one. So this is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I do really like this. I'm happy I have one. Definitely gonna go ahead and keep that. Love the Kosas one. These Too Faced ones I do like, but I definitely don't use the darker one for contour like I thought I would. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. And then the color Nude is just like kind of like my exact skin tone, so I like to keep that one for like spot concealing. And then this one's the color Snow, which is good for like under eye highlighting. So I'm gonna put those in my maybe pile. This Smashbox, oh, it's a lid primer. Okay, wrong category for that. I was gonna say I don't use it, and I don't because it's not even a concealer. This Tarte one, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one. It's too thick for me. I don't like the way it makes my under eyes. It's very like luminous looking under my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. I've held on to that for a couple of declutters, so it's time to go. This CoverGirl one I never reached for, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. This MAC one's actually really good, NW20. It's old though. I mean, it's so old, it's like not even moving. Yeah, it's time to get rid of that, but that is a really good concealer. This Jeffree Star is completely the wrong color for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Hourglass is my favorite. I have a backup of that one. This Benefit Boing, I'm still trying to decide if I like it or not. I've had it for a while, but I don't reach for it enough to decide if I like it or not, so I'll hang on to that one for a little while. The Fenty one I do like. This Rare Beauty one is a little bit newer to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and hang on to that. Tarte Shape Tape's kind of a good staple to have in your collection. This Cover FX one I got when I think it was Sephora was discontinuing Cover FX, and I just haven't had a chance to use it yet, so I definitely want to keep it so I can try it. This Maybelline wand I don't use, so I'm gonna get rid of that. This Charlotte Tilbury is a corrector, not really a concealer, but I do use it here and there, so we'll keep that. And then this NARS Creme Brulee is the color. It's the soft matte concealer. I do use that one on occasion, probably not as much as some of the others. I actually might go ahead and get rid of that. It's in a pot, so it's like, it's hard to use. Same with the Charlotte Tilbury. It's old too. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, so you know what? I think I'm gonna get rid of Snow because it is like super, super, super light. So it's a good highlighting wand, but I don't use makeup like that anymore, you guys. Plus it's kind of old, but I am gonna keep Nude. So these are the ones I'm keeping. I'm keeping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm getting rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So more than half. I am pretty dang proud of that. So, okay, this is now the end of the video. Next video will be a different makeup category, probably powders of some sort. So yeah, I'll talk to you then. Bye.